I will love to help you through the process of buying, sell, or listing your house. If you also need a house to rent, you are in the right place. Let me know I can help you. Call me today at 832-343-1930 Nelly, your realtor. Hablo Español. Come and see this beautiful remodeled home for lease in the market. This home is in a large lot on a cul-de-sac street. The floor plan has a large living area opening to the formal dining room with a very nice fixture. The kitchen has an island and a breakfast bar with lots of very nice new quartz counter space, huge pantry and utility room. Tile floors throughout the living, dining, kitchen, master bedroom, and study/home office. The home office could be used as a fourth bedroom and has a closet. The master bedroom has a large walk-in closet and an executive bathroom with granite countertops, double sinks, jetted tub, and a separate shower. Zoned to George Ranch High School.